Good afternoon to all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary, and today's our topic is features of Java. So the primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. A part of this, there are also some excellent features which play an important roles in the properly of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzwords. A list of the most important features of Java language is simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secure, robust, architecture-neutral, uh, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. So what is simple? Simple. The Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean, and easy to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. So easier for programming to learn it after C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, and etc. There is no need to remove unreferenced objects because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Second one is object oriented. So Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects and incorporates both data and behaviors. Object oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by uh, providing some rules. The basic concept of OOPs are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So next one is a platform independent. So Java is a platform independent because it is a different form of language like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machine, uh, while Java is a write one and run anywhere language. A platform is a hardware or software environment in which a program runs. There are two types of platform, software based and hardware software based. Java provides a software based platform. The Java platform differs from most other platform in the sense that it is software based platform that run on top of other hardware based platform. It is two components. First one is the runtime environment and second one is a API. API means application programming interface. Java code can be executed on multiple platforms. For example, Windows, Linux, Sun, Solar, Mac, OS, and etc. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms. That is, write once and run anywhere. Next one is a secure. Java is known as known. Java is a base known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free system. Java is secure because no no explicit pointer and Java program run inside virtual machine sandbox. So first is a class loader. Class loader is a Java is a part of JRE. JRE means Java runtime environment, which which is used to load Java classes into the Java virtual machine dynamically. It adds security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those that are improved from network sources. Bytecode verifiers. It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to object. Next one is a security manager. Security manager, it is determines what resource a class can access, such as reading and writing the local list. So this is the features of Java. Thank you.